goal is to put all 20 hours on today.
Well, that's great because you only need to do 2 per boat, 10 per boat.
We're already like 12.
I think the number's 10.
10 per boat.
Hey, I'm in for an all-nighter.
Tanya's in tomorrow too. So.
No, we're going now.
I was sitting on the patio this morning. I was like, it's a gorgeous day. You don't get better weather than this where we live. And Craig and I are the only ones chiming in like, okay, let's go. Like, what the fuck's up with the rest of my friends? I need more friends because y'all are not dependable.
You need higher quality friends.
Yeah. I called Jason like, he's moving cinder blocks. Like, dude.
I was building my koi pond.
No.
So I was like,
That's a
moving
Wednesday
cinder
night
blocks.
thing.
Going out
Well, I said, aren't we going out at like, 4 o'clock when Thomas gets back? He goes, no, we're going to go now. I just keep myself busy.
I work until like 12:30, right? And I'm putting an irrigation repair in, just mud from head to toe, jeans, and I just dropped the tools.
Yeah.
Put a towel over the hole, and just started undressing, walking for the house. Just gotta go.
Woo!